Hi, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Cooper S Traveller. Now in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and a fitting guide to the Retrocomponents seat extension brackets. So kindly have a box here sent to me by Retrocomponents. So yeah, let's spin the camera around, we'll show you our current setup, then we'll give these unboxed and show you how to fit them. Okay, so let's get this box open and we'll see what Retrocomponents has actually sent us here. So okay, first impressions, you can see the box itself really well packaged. Even the polystyrene itself has all been slotted out to allow the product to sit in there lovely. So yeah, it arrived perfect condition, and yeah, so really top-notch packaging to begin with. It comes with fitting hardware as well, so that's great. No need to be messing around trying to find your bolts and hose, mismatching bolts and hardware, so that's great to have as well. But yeah, let's pull one out here. Obviously there's a pair of these, so we should hold up to the camera. There you see some really high quality piece of engineering here. So I'm just going to read from my cheat sheets here, which I got from them. So these are laser cut 5mm steel with multiple mounting positions, as you can see, all pre-drilled as well. So I think there's 24 locating positions available on the one bracket. These are direct replacement for your existing seat mounting positions here on the cross member of the Mini. So yeah, so no need for any fabrication work. I think these will go straight on to, I think, any model of classic Mini. They also have 10mm side-to-side adjustment if you so wish as well. They are powder coated in black. I think black is the only color they have available. There's no drilling, no tapping required. These are straight fit, which is fantastic to have. They retail at $39.99 on the Retrocomponents website. I will put a link in the description below for directly to the page where you can buy these for yourself, and to Retrocomponents Instagram account as well. I'll put a link on there as well for you, so definitely well worth a follow. So yeah, we really want to get these fitted, but just before I fit them, just something which a quotation they have on their website, which I think sums these up completely. So, and I quote: "If you're looking for more legroom or just a more comfortable driving position, our pivot style extension brackets will help. Manufactured from 5mm black powder coated steel, gives them strength and durability and the cafe racer style look." So cafe racer, say no more. That's exactly what I'm looking for here in the Traveller. So without further ado, let's get these fitted and show you our current setup before we remove them. So as you can see, I already have the seat removed to make this job a little bit quicker. Okay, so this is our current setup. So what we have here, these are the original Mini seat brackets here, with the extension brackets, which are readily available from a lot of mini spares companies, eBay and places like that, where these have been on the market for years and years. So I've had these probably in a few Minis. So yeah, it's so these are direct replacements. So what these are, will simply bolt in to the same location, but as you can see, we have so much more potential for extension of the seat, which is perfect for me. Being 6'3", I need as much room in the Mini as I can. So I think I'm currently on this position, and a little bit further back wouldn't have hurt. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely, I'll put the seat back in where roughly is where I was before, and I'll play about with it in the next weeks while until the next show season to get the seat perfect where I want it. So yeah, let's get these out, get these in.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's get this fitted. yeah, so even with the first one fitted, you can really see the noticeable difference that this bracket extends the full length of the cross member. It's a single piece, unlike this, which has this additional piece. So it's an additional point of weakness there potentially as well. So, but on top of that, it looks really, really well fitted, and it's a really solid, sturdy piece of construction. So, yeah, let's just fast forward, and you'll see the next one fitted. So there we have it. That's the two Retrocomponents seat extension brackets now fitted. I think you'll agree with me in saying that they actually look fantastic compared to these, which were, as in the original ones, with that little seat extension bracket thing, which is has been available on market for years and years. But yeah, I think these are going to be a much better job. And yeah, we'll have to get another one for the other side as well, which will be cool, and have both seats sitting in exactly the same place. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this seat in. Okay, so I think maybe what I'll do is I'll put the seat in roughly the same position it was before. I like sitting back, maybe obviously not the full way, but yeah, let's mount it about, I think, in around here, and yeah, we'll see what it looks like. You know, at first attempt, I actually think I have the seat in the absolute sweet spot. So I'm not all the way back, but I've loads of leg room. My legs get under the steering wheel really well. So I actually hit the jackpot, I think, on fitting these. So, initial thoughts. First of all, their service from Retrocomponents has been second to none. So from the moment that Ben said he was posting these out to me, they literally arrived the day he said that they would arrive. Perfectly packaged as well. You saw the box, it was immaculately presented as well, so really good, really high quality as well. The product itself, really impressed with them. They were exactly what they said. They are straight bolt-in replacements. They need nothing done to the car. Of course, my car being my car, I have carpeted the cross member, so I did have to trim a little bit of my carpet away, but that is a trimming issue which I did myself. If you don't have the carpet there, literally will go straight in. So I'm over the moon with the fitment. Really easy, and I definitely would recommend it. So if you're tall like me and you need a seat extension bracket, honestly, I wouldn't go past Retrocomponents. That's my own personal opinion. Their products are second to none. As well as that, we see here as well, I actually have the Retrocomponents phone holder as well. I'll actually put a link to the video that I did fitting this up on the screen here as well. So highly recommend you get one of those as well. So obviously, a 60-year-old Mini has zero luxuries at all. So having a phone mount up where the ashtray was, I don't smoke, so I don't need the ashtray. So that is a perfect location for the phone there, especially if you want to use sat nav. If you're going to car shows, you don't know exactly where they are. The sat nav to have there is really great. So yeah, I will post a link to Retrocomponents website in the description below, as I said before, to their Instagram as well, and to their Facebook page. Like I said in the introduction, the product is $39.99 to the UK from Retrocomponents. And yeah, I don't know what the exchange rate is for euros or dollars or so on. So, but yeah, 5 stars. So thanks again to Retrocomponents for sending me that. It is hugely appreciated, and yeah, really going to enjoy those. So yeah, I'll get the passenger seat fitted, and yeah, ready for next year's shows. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to yeah, below for all future videos similar to this. More upgrades to the car coming soon, roundup of this year's show season, and so on. So yeah, thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.